I go on, my dear children. I warmly welcome all of you to grade 9 English medium civic class, civic education or citizenship education. It's a very important subject which you can study about the people, society, its organizations, and so many things. Okay? The unit 1 of grade 9 is about the social security. Social security. Today, we all must have the right of living free in the society, free from fear and suspicion. That is called social security. If someone threats you, suspects you, makes you fear, frightens you, there is no social security. Eh? Even a police officer cannot threat us. Even the president cannot threat us. He cannot make us fear. That is called social security. So we have our own right from a small child to elder person. Our own right of living free from fear and suspicion. Biensa second Torah. What we mean idea. The right of living free from fear and suspicion is called social security. That is a very nice lesson. If we can maintain the social security longer in the society, we can actually develop the personal development, social development, and the national development. So, personal development, social development, and finally, national development can be enhanced through social security. So, there are many social organizations as well as institutions which provide a great, immense service towards the social security, like your family, like your school, like religious centers, and everything. So they always provide immense service towards the social security. Now we are going to get the lesson, my dear. Another thing, the lesson is here. The right of living free from fear and suspicion is called social security. Actually, it promotes personal development, social development, and national development. We are going to talk about them again. Individual and society. Okay? What is individual? Single person. I am an individual. So social means society. A collection of people is called a society. So we are talking about the difference between those two regarding the social security. If you follow your traditions, your manners, polite behaviors, decent actions towards others in the society, we can enhance and improve social security properly. Let's see that now. Right? What is a society? It's a collection of people and organizations. There are people as well as institutions. Right, Uday? Name the basic features of society. We know of that. Anyway, there are social organizations. They have common ties and bonds, which are called responsibilities, commitments, duties also. They live together. What about the features of the society? One idea. Working in collaboration to achieve their various needs, living in a certain geographical area, a group of people. There are some people, they live in a certain geographical area, region, and they work together, collaboration to achieve their various needs. What are the common features of the society? There are customs, rules, regulations, acceptances, ethics, agreements, traditions, norms, so many things, cultures. They are the common features of society, right? Now we are talking about the social security. It is the social protection. The protection which is provided by the society towards its members is called social security. So we should be able to live free from fear and doubt. So no one can make you doubt, make you fear. So only the court, only the court can decide it after thorough examination. A full judgment. Okay? That is why it is very important today. Right. You know Abraham Lincoln, who was one of former presidents of America, also dedicated and fought for the social security. You know, there had been servants, they are called slaves, which were taken from Africa in America. So he wanted to abolish the slavery, to remove this slavery from this country. You know, the slaves were against, but he did it under the social security. Equalism, collaboration, respectation, unity, harmony, reconciliation, you are going to learn them in this lesson. I will teach you them. Actually, Abraham Lincoln worked hard, dedicated hard to establish the social security of millions of African slaves. He told that free labor in free soil. And free labor in free soil. I told you. He opposed the spreading of slavery and tyranny. He fought against that. Now you understood about social security. So if you are disturbed, if you are threatened, and if you are going to make fear by someone, no social security is there. Social security is very important for our future development. Personal, social, and national development are based on the social security. Now we are going to discuss the duties and responsibilities towards the social security from the social organizations and institutions like family, school. I told you there are religious centers. First, I'm going to talk about a family. You know, the family as the smallest unit of the society, number of members living together at the same residence. You know, abided with love, affection, understanding, caring and sharing, kindness, unity, and with other family bonds. My dear, actually, the role of the family towards the social security is marvelous. We learn love, affection, caring and sharing, expectation, everything from the family. At the beginning, we learn them from the family. So then we after that directly we go to the society. Then if the society wants to make a place with social security, we must actually compose with those qualities which I told and explained using the family. Now let's see that part also. Right? The role played by the family towards the social security. So I give you those notes nicely. Educate, decent words, polite behaviors, we know them. Decorum are provided by the family, by your parents, elder parents, and elder siblings also provide those qualities towards you, which are helpful for the social security. Then, my dear children, family has been playing a major role in the social security. If you want to learn to write the answers for those questions, please join my class. I will make you write them. First, I am going to explain you the answers with the factors and examples. Then you have to write them. Okay? After that, we are going to the second. Pute, what does family provide the society? I told you that. Let's see them now as the next part. You can understand it very nicely. Maintaining healthy relationships with individuals personally. Guiding towards socialization. Guiding towards socialization. Improving qualities like love, affection, compassion, kindness, and very important. Ensuring security and protection inside the family towards the society. Preventing use of alcohol, drugs, and other antisocial misconducts. So, the family prevents you from them and then encouraging self control and emotion. So they are very important for the social security. That is why I told you that the family has been playing a major role towards the social security. Right? So, as a good family, as a member of a good family, you always must learn them for the future life. Another thing. Right? These are the duties and the responsibilities of the family towards the social security. Developing healthy relationships among members. You know, I told you that between the parents, between the elder parents, between the children, that means between siblings, they must have very close, very friendly relationships individually. It is called healthy relationships among members. Then they conducting healthy relationships with relatives, neighbors, and the other people of the society. That is why we have to think about the role of the family. Another thing. Second one, you are going to talk about the contribution from school towards the social security. My dear, after the family, you directly join the school as a student. Then you meet different types of friends from different societies and different levels, as well as the teachers too. So school is a big society, different society, a big organization. So you have to learn those qualities again practically from the school. The teachers will teach you them. You will learn them from the subjects like religion and civic, like you are learning now. Then, my dear children, we can actually face all those things properly in the school. School also has been playing a very big major role towards the social security. We learn to respect each other. We learn to be obedient. We follow the rules and regulations. We accept those things. Everything. We learn to be patient, kindness. There are so many qualities. Polite behaviors. We always speak in decent words, decent expressions. I'm sorry. You are welcome. Excuse me. Thank you. My pleasure. And so we use those expressions in the school also by learning those things towards the social security. Let's see that part also now. The duties and the responsibilities of the school towards the social security on another day. Eh? And you are provided systematic education by the school. They are teaching to fulfill duties while enjoying rights. You must learn to fulfill the duties, your responsibilities, while engaging or enjoying with your rights. Then, my dear, transferring and protection of culture, making perfect, understand, and uh, competencies. Okay, with the competencies and the skills, producing fair means sadhana just, my dear, and social and well-disciplined individuals. Next one, creation for better socialization. The school, your second mother, provides you such a very important thing. My dear, now we can talk about the religious centers like temple, mosque, Bible, and church. They provide us good values to our life, good norms, and ethics. So they are very important. Spiritual progress, spiritual life will be improved by those places. Then the unity, equalism, as well as reconciliation, living together, harmony, in harmony, unity, reconciliation. Sahajivan, very important through the religion. And we love one another, we respect them, we accept them, we learn to be patient. That is very important part. Then we are going to talk about those things from this part. Then when I do revision, when I do the unit test, you can get very balanced answers for these questions. And you can get higher marks at your term test too while learning this. Now let's see the duties and the responsibilities of those places under the inculcating good attitudes. I told you those words. Establishment of discipline and education. Leading for a spiritual development. And they producing virtuous good citizens. Rescuing people from liquor, drugs, and other antisocial acts. Extending to establish national harmony, national integration. I told you those words. Isn't it? Right. My dear. And we can take other institutions which have been formed in the society. Children's clubs, sports clubs, youth clubs, trade unions, religious societies, and the other societies are very helpful for the social security. The contribution from other institutions. So they develop unity among the members. Sports club, health club, nature club, prefects guild, so many societies, clubs and associations which are found from the society also help to develop the social security. Now, my dear, we are going to meet again at my lessons with more interesting parts about this social security. We are going to learn to write the answers for the questions, also the unit tests as well as term questions. Then I cordially invite you to join my classes with me so you can learn civic properly and nicely, practically. I am Nandana Vijayavardhana. If you have any matter regarding the subject of civic, you can contact me through WhatsApp with my number. And okay, I'm going to stop that part. Social security to study what the meaning of the social security and how it merges and comes down and how we should protect it and the uses of it. And okay, I wish you all the best. Bye.